In the last class, we discussed about forms. In that, if you want to insert any form element, we have to use form tag. So in that form tag, we have some attributes like input, text area, button, select, option, field set, and label. So in the last class, we discussed about input, text area, and button. These are three things which we have discussed. So we can input a text, a checkbox, a radio button, and a normal button. So we have seen a program on that also. So if you want to create this HTML form, this is username and it will be your text box. So here input type is equal to text, input type is equal to password. Here this type input type equal to radio. Here input type equal to select or checkbox, and here input type equal to button or submit. So if you want to go with the drop down list, also we have seen some options here. Select name equal to cards. So form name equal to form 1, option values. So select is a command. If you have a selected, or by default option will be selected. Drop down list this is also already we discussed in the last class. And we have to see this text area. And buttons we have to discuss today. Text area and buttons. So we'll see that. So where we have forms. So in these forms we have seen text input control already we have discussed, password already discussed, multi-line text, this is nothing but your text area. So we will write text area option to print the text area, and we have check boxes. Input type equal to checkbox, so we will get checkboxes like this. And radio button, input type equal to radio, then we will get this radio buttons, either this or this. And we have a select box which is already discussed. If you have written the selected, we'll go with this. This is called as selected box. Options, multiple options what we can go with. And button controls we have to see today, and file upload we have to see, hidden form controls, and these are the options what we are left with. So today we'll see file upload, how to write a program to upload a file. So in many applications, online forms, we can see upload button. So in that, for example, this is the choose file. If you click on it, automatically it will a open dialog box will open. So in this you have to select a file and that will be uploaded. Okay, so this is a program for that. The tag will be input type equal to file, name equal to file upload, accept image. So if you click on it, whatever the file we have uploaded, that will be displayed. Now I am executing it. File, save, f upload .html. This is the file name I am giving here. Now HTML programs, f upload, right click, open with browser Google Chrome. Now we will get a file. If I click on this choose file, browser will open. So in this I am checking this image, click on open. So image 1, whatever the name of that image will be displayed here. For example, if I insert one more image, 3D flower, open. So 3D flower will come. So whatever the image is uploaded, that name of that image is displaying here. So that is my program purpose. Abstract equal to image. So whatever the image you have accepted which is uploaded, the name of that image will be displayed here. So everything is same. Under form tag you have to type input type equal to file, name equal to file upload, accept equal to image. It has to accept that image, so that will be accepted, that will be inserted. Hello, is it okay now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is file upload. Next we have button controls, submit, reset, button and image. So here depends on the situation, we can have these three types of buttons. Submit button will submit the details, reset button will reset all the fields, and OK button is for to display OK, values are OK. Okay, so we'll see in your curriculum what you have. Button tag, button examples. Already we have 3 buttons. Already this program is already done. Field set. This is field set. We'll see this example now. Control C, file, new. For these HTML programs, you have to see the output. Once you see the output, then easily you'll come to know what will be the what will be that. మనకి ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. అవుట్పుట్ చూసుకుంటే ప్రోగ్రాము అండ్ దాని పర్పస్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఈజీలీ. సేవ్, field info.html, save. Where is that field info? Right click, open with Chrome. So this is the thing, field set in form. So in some applications you can see there are different categorizations. So those categories can be divided, like academic info, next professional info, like that we can create all these applications anamata. So for that what we have to do is, initially HTML head up to here is everything is same, center it has to come in center. Field set in form, that will be in underline, so we can see that in underline here. Field set in form, it is in center and it is in underline. And next health information, field set under we have one more tag that is called legend tag. So this what this legend tag will do is, it will keep this health information as a block, health information as a block. In that you are creating text boxes. Height is a text box and weight is a text box. So size is 3, in the sense here you can insert only 3 characters. So form close, field set close, center close, paragraph close. Now if you want to enter one more tag here, now I want to add age, input type equal to text, size equal to 5. Okay, file, save, refresh. See, one more tag is inserted. Now in the same way I'll go with one more. Control C, now instead of this health information I'll make it education information. Okay, now here I'll type graduation. Here, sorry, first I'll make it as post graduation, then graduation, third one inter, and I'll go with one more, SSC. Okay, file, save, refresh. See now I have one more information, education information. Here you have to write what is your post graduation, MCA, graduation, BCom, intermediate, CEC, 10th, SSC board. Okay, this is the info what you have to enter. Height 165 centimeters, weight 62, age 30. So like this you can insert the information into this different categories. So if you want to divide the form content into different categories, we can use this field set tag. Okay, so here I have how many field sets? 2 field sets. One field set started here and it has ended here. Field set, health information is ended here. This is one part. Okay, so if you want to create or insert one more, then you have to copy paste the same format and you will get it. Okay now, so have you understood about form tab in field sets? Is it clear? Now label tag. So labels are nothing but, for example, first if you write username, password, all these are comes under labels anamata. Pepsi is a label, cola is a label. So these are all labels. So how to do this? Label in HTML form. So for that we have label for equal to Pepsi, input type equal to radio. So here if you click on it, any one will be displayed. Which soft drink do you like, Pepsi or cola? Wait, I'll execute, write and execute the program for you so that you will come to know. Control C, file, new, paste, save, labels dot HTML. Labels, right click, open with browser. It is label and it is text box. Why it is text box? Oh, okay. Type equal to this is the mistake, simple mistake. Save, refresh now. Okay, Pepsi or cola, any one you can describe. Label in form. So this is called as a label. Label for Pepsi is Pepsi, label for cola is cola. This is label, this is label. These two are called as labels. Okay, everything should be come in center. That's why I have written every content in between this center opening tag and center closing tag. So everything will come in center. Okay, that is also done. Next, file upload already we have seen how to upload a file. We have seen that. So this is about unit 1. So we are done with unit 1. So in unit 1 we have discussed what is HTML, different HTML tags, structure of HTML program and HTML attributes. What are different styles? What are the styles? We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Hypertext in the sense we have hyperlinks, formatting text. Formatting text in the sense bold, italic, underline, emphasis, strong, upper, super, subscript, superscript, all these are comes under formatting text. Forms and formatting instructions, already we have seen buttons, text boxes, text area, password, and radio buttons, check boxes, select, and now uploading files and labels. All these are comes under forms. And comments will have right angle bracket and two underscores, and explanatory mark will be treated as a comment. Background, already we have seen how to insert an image as a background. And images, for that we have img tag, hyperlinks, href tag. We have three types of lists. One is ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. And we have seen how to create a tables, and already we have seen how to create frames. What is a frame? A frame is nothing but we can divide a web page into multiple web pages. Each and every part is called as a frame. For this we have to use frame set tag. So for every frame set we can specify how much space if we want to require. Frame 1 frame set 20 20 80, sorry 20 20 60. If you treat it as 100%, first frame will be 20, second frame will be 20, and third frame will be 100. So if you specify rows, then you will get horizontal frames. If you specify columns, it will be vertical frames. So there are different types of frames. So this is the basic end of unit 1. Okay, so we'll see that from your CA material also. What are the things we have? Web technologies, CA. Web technology. If we left with any topics, and we can do it now. So formatting text, we have seen paragraph tag, center tag, break tag, bold, italic, emphasize, marked, delete, underlined, all these things which we have discussed. Even we have seen the programs on this each and every topic. Alternative tag disabled, hyperreference, ID tag, SRC, stores tag, style tag, title and value. So and here we have already seen forms. Just now we have seen what is form and what are the actions, attributes, method attributes, input button or label, select option, text area, legend and field set. So how to create buttons, we have seen. How what is a label, already we have seen. Select command, options we have seen, and field sets. This is a simple program for that, to display this universal bookstore and all. And commenting codes, I said angular bracket, explanation mark, some content, and this is treated as a comment, and these lines won't be included in your program execution. These are all comments. Anchor tag and backgrounds, images and hyperlinks. So anchor tag is used to go with hyperreference URL, whatever the site which you want to open, you have to specify in that place of href URL. This is the hyperlink. Target is equal to self, and if you click on this universal bookstore, automatically it will redirect to this universal bookstore site. So it will be like this. This is your output. If you click on this universal bookstore, that universal bookstore website will be opened. Background, HTML background with colors, background with images. How to set a background? So for this we have table BG color will be the background. So what we do for this program, we do one thing. Body BG color equal to BG color equal to red. Where is it? BG color equal to red. Now check. File, save, labels, refresh. Background red వచ్చింది. Okay. So if you want to set background image, so even for that you have to specify background equal to URL. Now in the same program, instead of BG color, background equal to, that should be in double quotes, img1.jpg. File, save. Now just check it out. This will be the background, body background. So if you want to set the body background as image, any image as a background, we use this background tag. That would be, it is an attribute of body tag. So body background equal to whatever the image you want to set as a background, you have to specify the address of the background, complete URL of the background, then that image will be inserted as a background. If you want to set any color as a background color, then here we have to say BG color, body BG color equal to some color name you have to specify. That color will be specified for that. Okay. Background images already we have seen, and this is the image borders, image size, and we have list, ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So for ordered list we have OL, unordered list we have tag is UL, definition list we have the tag as DL. In this definition list we have some options like definition description and definition term. Ordered list is a simple program. A list can be nested. So in a list we will have multiple options for like this. So I will try to execute this program once for you. Replace. File, save, nest list dot html. Nested list, a list inside another list is called as nested list. So we'll have the program here. nest list, right click, open with a browser. So this is called nested list. So starting we have bullets, in that you have, this is unordered list and it is ordered list. So I have written ordered list in unordered list. Ikkada unordered list dantlo ordered, దాని లోపల మళ్ళీ ordered వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ అలా రాసాను. ఫస్ట్ సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ లిస్ట్, సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్, ఆర్డర్ లిస్ట్ టైప్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ. సో దాంట్లో ఈ లిస్టులో ఇది వచ్చింది ordered list. In that ordered list we have li list professor type, professors and Ravi. Ordered list ordered list I list ikkada professors. Next the order list close అయిపోయింది. Next we have one more list. Here also we have order list type equal to small I. ikkada we have A, that's why it is continued with the ABCD. Have two lists here. Li Mohan, Nagesh, these two in ordered list. So it is, your ordered list is closed, again list is closed. Third order list, mechanical department. So here we have OL ordered list, professors, in that we have ordered list. Ordered list lo again we have list item. So all these are the list items what you have to write. So initially you have bullets, in that you have ABCD. It is bullet 1 2, it is bullet A, in that we have another one. I will come back, this is B and we'll have one more one. So like that your options will be increased. This is called nested list. So a list inside another list is called as nested list. Okay, and do we have anything left? Already we have seen that definition list, ordered list, unordered list. We have seen how to create a table, tables, row span, all the things which we have discussed. So you tell me ma, if you have any doubts in unit 1, I'll explain the topics. If you have any doubts, you just tell me from table 1. So you just try to create a table. Already I said a table, I asked you to create a table, but no one have replied me. Now even today we have finished unit 1, so try to create a table and try to create a web application, web form, the student application form. Choose your own details and try to create a web application form and create a table. These are two things which you have to do. Here you have all the examples. Okay, so we have done with your unit 1. So tomorrow we'll start second unit, no, not second unit, we'll start with third unit. Tomorrow we'll start with third unit, that is Java script. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so do you have any doubts? You just tell me ma, we'll clear it off. If you have anything to ask, you can ask. You can talk, no problem, nothing is going to happen. If you ask me, then only I'll come to I can understand what you have understood and I can answer your questions. If you didn't react, I can't do anything. Okay, okay then.